Hey, what's up? So I use Microsoft Edge as my default browser on my PC. It's good. Actually, I don't care what browser is my default browser as long as it just works. But recently I have noticed some weird stuff happening with Microsoft Edge browser whenever I open it. So here is the quick example. This is a Chrome browser. This is what I use for personal use. I save my logins and everything, all right? But whenever I visit any site, this is the example, all right? Let's say I visited my site, all right? And I close the Chrome browser. Now, if I open the Edge browser, you will see it will automatically open a browser that you visited last on a Chrome. This is weird. For a few days, I thought that maybe there is something wrong with my keyboard or mouse, link got copy and pasted, but it just keeps happening again and again. So I had to do some research and I found out that there is a new feature by Microsoft which automatically imports browser data, everything from Chrome to Edge. This is too much. Let me use the browser that I want to use. Don't force me. So basically, this is the new feature, import browser data. This feature has been in browsers from many years, but you just had to do it manually. But now in Edge browser, it's automated, all right? It will import, I can say steal actually, yeah. Edge will steal all of your browser data and import it inside Edge. And that's the thing I don't want. You can see I have multiple browsers. I have Opera, I have 3 Chrome profiles, 3 Chrome browsers for different things. And I don't want, one browser for everything, all right? So yeah, this is at least give the user some kind of notice or, when the feature is available, just write on the screen something that this is a new feature. Do you want to turn it on, off? Don't make me confused. Yeah, for a few days I got completely confused what is happening with my browser, and later I also found out that everything is being imported or stolen. In my case, it's just stealing, all right? If you go to the profiles and then import browser data and then import browser data on each launch, click on it, this feature is turned on by default, right? There was no notice, no notification that this feature is being added or will be turned on by default or something like that. It just happened and I got confused for many days, as I said. And you can see it will import or steal everything: saved passwords, autofill settings, payment info, browsing history, cookies, open tabs, all right, everything. So I have to turn this off. It took me a few days to figure out what's happening with my browser and why all of my passwords, all of my accounts are available on Edge. Imagine for a non-techie user, he'll get confused, really confused. Yeah. Let me tell you guys why I use Microsoft Edge as my default browser. Because I don't save any important data, important account, important payment methods, or anything like that. I just surf the web using Microsoft Edge. That's all I do. If someone sends me a fishy link to my email or anywhere, when I click on that link, it will open that link in default browser, which is Edge. If that link is dangerous or something else, fishy link, spam or anything, right? You know what I'm trying to say here. That link or that link maker, creator will not find anything because there is nothing saved in my Edge browser. That's why Edge is my default browser. It's like a shield for me. If someone tries to do something weird with me with the links, I just use the Microsoft Edge as my shield, So actually Edge is also good. I don't hate it. I don't like it. It just, yeah. But as I said, I use multiple browsers for multiple things, multiple accounts. So this feature really gets me mad because As I said, it steals all of your data, saved passwords, accounts, payment info, and everything. So I don't want that to happen. So if you use Edge browser, just like I just use it as a shield, then you should turn this feature off right now, because by default it will be turned on. And yeah, Microsoft is just forcing people to use Microsoft Edge. After this feature implemented to Edge, Microsoft is saying, hello, we have all the things imported to your favorite browser, which is Edge. Just use it. Yeah, everything is here. Don't worry about other browsers. Don't touch them. I don't know what I'm saying here anymore, but that's that. I think this is too much by Microsoft. They really, really want you to use Edge forever and don't touch the other browsers. But that's not going to happen. And this is a force, in my opinion. I think, yeah, this is totally a force. I mean, it's not that bad. Maybe for some people it will be useful. But at least give us some info. Give us some notification. Tell us so we can decide what we want to do. All right? That's it. I don't want to say anything. That's it. Hope you enjoyed it, guys. Yeah, I will see you in the next one. Take care of yourself and have fun. Bye-bye.